We are going to the gym because that's what Dad likes to do. This is the one weekend of the year that my son is blessing me with his presence at the gym.
Can a 61-year-old man out-train his 29-year-old son? This birthday, I put it to the test. My son Husten, again, former high school swimmer, 29 years old. Me, 61 years old, needing 2 hip replacements. 1 weekend a year. That's all I get with him at the gym. I have to coerce him, manipulate him, anything I can to get him to go with me to the gym. It's my special day. Now, before I show you what happened, I need to give you a little backstory. I've been off most of the year. I decided, for various reasons, I need to get back to the gym. Now, last year, let me tell you, I did a 100-mile gravel race with my Filipino son, Gabriel, 19 years old. He was 18 at the time, I was 60. Surely I can do 5 laps, 10 laps. I jump in the pool, start swimming, 25 meters up, 25 meters back, I am dead. I'm like, oh my God, I am so out of shape. The other thing I do is cycling, 15.5-mile loop. Oh my God, thought I was gonna die. It's very hilly, by the way. It's got, I don't know, 2,000 or so feet of climbing. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Should not even break an hour. 15.5 miles, and it was sub 15 miles an hour. I hired hired a coach for 3 sessions. He put weight on the sled, 90 pounds, take it down. It's about 50, 60 meters down, 50, 60 back. And then some push release, and then some ab work. Oh my God. My abs felt like they were gonna split in half. So that's the backstory. Week 4, I'm breaking 800 meters in the pool, on the bike. I rode 31 miles. Sled pushes up to 180 pounds. I'm feeling a little confident. So Houston and we get in the gym. Does consistency beat youth? So let's find out. 5 exercises and the stuff. We jump in the pool, we're doing our laps. We don't have any film of the laps because we're both swimming. So let me just tell you, spoiler alert, old Dad came in at least 1 stroke ahead. Next up is the weights. New PR is 61. I'm looking for a new max. I know that I've already pushed 5 plates in the past, so I got to go a little bit bigger. 5 plates, that's 5 45s, plus the 25 is 250 pounds. 250. Super excited. Now, I'm just proud of Houston. He jumped in the ring with me. I didn't expect it out being here. That wouldn't be fair, but he did, as you see. I had him at least push it a few feet so he could get a feel for what it is. Plus, I probably weighed 30 pounds more than that. That's not even fair. That's not even a fair competition. Next was the push release. You put 45 pounds on the sled. You step into it and push away with all your might. I only do 45 pounds. I've done 55 pounds. I'm like, but that's enough because it's pretty tiring. So it's about explosive power and great for full body movement. Next came the box jumps. I was very surprised that Houston did the box jumps with me. I like to progress, so I do the 24s, add 3, 27s, take the 3 off, add the 6, and get the 30. Again, speed and power. Box jumps. People always ask me, is that safe at 61? Absolutely safe. It's absolutely doable. Don't try to take on too much too soon. So, if you train your nervous system, if you maintain explosiveness, yes, the key is consistency and proper landing mechanics. I like to squat down when I land and explode up for more full body weight. The last exercise is core stability. Wood chops are awesome. So your core matters as you age, not less, and this is functional strength, the kind you actually use, which is really what I'm about these days. So after all 5 exercises, you know what I realized? Age doesn't steal your strength. It's quitting that steals it. I train 5 to 6 days a week. Nothing crazy, just consistent. Swimming, lifting, cycling, and yoga for flexibility. 8 weeks ago, I could barely swim 50 meters. This week, 1,500 meters and climbing, 4,800 feet on a bike. That's what consistency creates, not motivation, consistency. Showing up when you don't feel like it. Oh, I can't tell you how many days I did not feel like showing up, but I did. My goals: swim 2+ miles, Ironman distance, pedal for 15 to 20 hours straight, which is Great Divide Prep. You can Google that. And to not let my 19-year-old son Gabriel beat me too dang bad when he gets here. I'm 61, my son 29, and today he learned what 8 weeks of consistent training creates. Here's what I want you to understand. Most men over 50 think their best days are behind them. They've accepted being weaker, slower, more fragile. In my next video, I'm going to show you something. And how does an elite athlete end up needing 2 hip replacements? And more importantly, how did I rebuild? Because there's a bigger story here, and understanding that story is what makes the system work. And in video 3, I'm revealing the complete 8-week program, the exact formula, week by week, break down the swimming progression, the cycling, the strength, 3 principles, the Garmin data, the recovery protocols, everything. So if you're 50 and above and you're ready to rewrite your limits, to stop accepting decline, and start building capacity, capability, hit subscribe, and type in the comments, ready to train. Because video 2 will be dropping soon, and you need to see what happened before I show you how to make it happen. Well, let's do it together. See you in the next one.